picture of us, taking a picture of each other.
Lots of carburettage. Gav's building a set of Maserati Merak carburetors, which are, where are those chokes, dude? You know, the disintegrated chokes.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, we've had a bit of a problem with chokeage. They're very thin, and this was seized in place, so it took a bit of effort to get it out. This is as good as we could get it out, and unfortunately these are not made anymore, so we're between a, what do you call it, between a cliff and a
rock and a hard place.
Something like that, yeah. Anyway, we're doing a good job with that, and I'm rebuilding, no I'm not rebuilding, I'm installing some triple carbs on this V6 Capri, and I've got the manifold, which is it needs a bit of work. It's a Rickwood intake manifold conversion. That's the original there. No, actually that's not even the original, because this was supposed to be an injection carb. Gentleman converted it to a carb, and then he wants 3 carbs, so a bit of some different size studs required. I'm making the studs for it, and also some different, I've just put the bolts here, marking them because they're all different lengths, and I've been working on buying new bolts, then modifying them to suit, and yeah, that's what we're doing. What are you doing?
Plugging my phone in.
Why are you not working?
I'm always working.
Get back to work.
Stop working.
Right, it's been raining a lot. Loads. It's wetter than a...
With a duck's wallet.
It's wetter than a duck's wallet outside.
An otter's pocket.
Or an otter's pocket. It's really wet.
It is really wet, actually.
See you later from me and Gav.